day saying life is a bitch. You the dot broker, you busy getting rich. Niggas did me dirty, left me dead in the ditch. Learned to forget, but I never did forget. Loyal to the team, I ain't never gonna switch. You was at the party getting drunk, getting lit. In the back of my head, I'm like, fuck that shit. I was busy in the lab making songs, making hits. Trying to get money till I cash out. Might break your arm if you're looking for it.
What's been going on? Painted the engine bay, painted the boot area. A bit of a struggle getting the correct colour match as I was going through 3 different paint supports. The line of glazer that was used a few years ago to paint the car is no longer around. So the company that painted it, or we got to paint through it. So we had a huge problem with trying to get an exact match of the tints that are no longer around. But we managed to get to a point where paint is that spot on enough that I can blend it out to the next panels. So that's what I'm now preparing the car for. Instead of having a hard edge or a hard paint edge, we are now feathering it out to the next panels.
On the runway, always on my job, working hard, treat every single day like it's Monday. Started from the bottom, bitch, I'm still here. Done it for the top, will I make it there?
When I first got this car, it was bloody rail can purple. It was a factory white car. It's always had a bit of a low comp in the motor, and it's now getting to the stage a few years later where it needs to be pulled out and rebuilt. Always knew I was going to come to this, well, I haven't done all this yet. Figured out the suspension first. It does need a fuel setup, going to go in, finish off the engine bay, and then once the motor's rebuilt, some squats and parts, so you can pop back in, and should be a totally different car once more. That's when the real fun will begin.